In this video I'm replacing the front and rear wiper blades on a 2012 Ford Focus hatchback. It's pretty simple to remove the old blades. The wiper blade is held onto the arm by two small pins. One is on the top right here, and one is on the bottom. You just have to press them both in at the same time, and then the wiper blade hinges off of the arm. I ordered a set of these Bosch Icon wiper blades off of Amazon. They were about $23 each, but I found that this was still cheaper than if you get them from an auto parts store. The part number is 28OE, and both the left and right wiper blades are the same part. When you unbox these wiper blades, there is one thing you have to do before you can attach them to the car. There's a little plastic shroud that's probably meant for other vehicles, but it's not needed for the Focus, so you can just remove it. And the new wiper blade just hinges onto the arm here, and the pins should snap in place to hold it together. And the process is the exact same for the passenger side wiper blade. And now on to the rear wiper blade. It just snaps into a groove on the arm here, so you just have to kind of push down on it and then it pops loose. Just to be sure that it would fit, I ordered a Ford Motorcraft part. The part number is WW-1204. And to connect the new wiper blade, you just line it up with the groove on the arm and press them both together and it should snap in place. Alright, so that's pretty much all there is to this video. Hit the like button if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.